Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this week's edition of the Startup Rundown. I've got 3 great events to share with you this week. One of them focused on female tech founders, the other 2 focused on life sciences companies. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kevin Dahl, and I've been living and working in and around Calgary's innovation community for the last 15 plus years. I'm currently an advisor with Platform Calgary, and I'm also the co-founder of a startup called Everywork, an on-demand platform for people and businesses to book desks and co-working spaces around them. Every weekend, I scour the internet looking for cool events that are happening in our city. My goal is that in 5 minutes or less, I can give you a rundown of some of the great ones that are happening this week. With so much happening in Calgary, I can't wait to see you at one of these events soon. All right, let's dive in. First up, I wanted to share BDC's Masterclass series on board governance readiness for startups. So this event is specifically targeting female founders of tech companies. The focus, it's actually a 4-week series that started last week, is all about helping you understand and implement an effective board in your startup. So there's 4 key areas that they're covering. First is to create an effective board for your startup business, how to actually understand and get more knowledge around how a good high-functioning board should actually work. Then they'll focus on how to actually find the right people to put on that board. And last but not least, talk a little bit about how you should compensate and make sure that you find a very diverse and competent board for your startup. So this series is running on Wednesday, and they've got a full schedule here on the website that I will link in the post. Next up, I wanted to talk about an event coming up on Wednesday as well that is all about perfecting your pitch for life sciences companies. So the Trade Commissioner Service actually partnered with Platform Calgary to put this event on, and it's all about helping you understand how to put together your pitch. So we use the 12 questions framework at Platform Calgary, and this one is designed specifically with focus on life sciences. So that includes natural health products, digital health, biotech, pharma, or medical devices. So if you have a startup or are thinking about creating a startup in any of these sectors, this is an event that you want to check out, and it is free. And the last event that I wanted to focus on is actually being put on by Innovate Calgary. And this one is titled Giving Life to Life Sciences Innovation, an overview of the Alberta ecosystem. So in this session, you'll get a chance to hear from Innovate Calgary, where they will talk about some of the different options for startups to tap into when they are building their companies in the life sciences space. So Dr. Nima Najand from officially her title is the Associate Director of Business Development for the Life Sciences Innovation Hub, will be leading this one. And it's really talking specifically about the supports that are available for companies at various stages in the life sciences space. And that event is happening on Wednesday. That's all that I have for this week. So as always, if there's an event that you're aware of that I've missed this week, feel free to add it to the comments. Thank you for watching Calgary. My name is Kevin Dahl. That was your Startup Rundown.